Hey everybody, it's Ken from Blackout. Just want to go over one of the most incorrectly used pieces of cardio out there and probably the best for your posterior chain. That's your hamstrings, your glutes, your back, all of those muscles back there on your backside. Rowing, first thing you want to do is quick tutorial is you set the damper setting. Most people put it to 10. We're going to set it between 3 and 5. That's where we're going to go. After you do that, you're going to strap your feet in just like Vic has here, right over the balls of your toes. Vic's going to slide all the way forward to the catch. Before we get started, understand there's 4 positions to the row. There is the catch phase, there's the drive, there's the finish, and then there's the recovery. The recovery is the most important because that's when your legs get a chance to rest. But Vic's gonna start with his hands nice and wide, his pinky's right at the end of the handles, right? Nice and tall. He's gonna drive, pow! Come to the finish, and the easiest way to think about this is, keep on Vic, let's do about 10 strokes, is if you think with the rowing stroke, it is legs, hips, and arms, hips, and legs. So if you ever get lost in the sauce, understand that's how the rowing stroke goes. Legs, hips, arms, hips, and then legs. Rowing is 60% of your legs, 30% of your hips and your core, and only 10% of your arms.